Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Stock Navigator Private Trading Room. Today is September 3rd, 2019. I hope that everyone have a good Labor Day long weekend. So let's get to the market to see what they're doing over the weekend. So even the market is low, but the future market is still open. So let's take a look. Okay, first of all, let's look at the SP 500. So over the weekend, as you can see here, the market is still bouncing around between the top and the bottom here. Okay, so right now we have to see that what they are going to do next. We do have a lot of resistance in this level and a lot of support right here. So over the weekend, on Friday, the market it pushed up to the top. Okay, that's why I told you guys. So they go right into this white dot line here. So I told you guys this one is risky to go long. You have to watch out, and they're right at the sell zone. So that's why don't go long right here. Okay, and then they will pull back to support area before we can see they be able to hold it before they can go higher. And over the weekend, you see the market drop. Okay, right away when Sunday when the market opened, they put right back down into the support level, and then they bow back up. And then yesterday they pull back one more leg down, and look like they try to hold up at this level. So right now at this level, we have to see two things that they can happen. If the market it continue to be able to go higher, okay, they have to break this level here, okay, and then move up in order to test the sell zone again. If because the market have been bouncing back and forward at this level, so that we have to make sure that the market is be able to hold it up and then and go higher because this is the test level here. So if they get into this level and then they don't have no more energy to go higher, and then they break this one here, they will continue to go lower here. Okay, so that's why we want to see if the market really want to put it back up, they have to test it sell zone again. Otherwise, you will see it more bearish coming in and then go back to the buy zone again. So after the market open, we will see how the institution they will load the money in or they will push it back down. Just depend over here. So right now we're up and down, up and down. If this one they take this low, they will continue to go lower. Okay, so and then your major support up here and your sell zone up here. So we are right in the middle. So we have to see what direction they want to go. Okay, so that for the SP 500. Let's look at the Dow. The Dow it's the same thing. Okay, they stuck into this area right now, and as you can see, it's very similar to the SP 500. So the market go nowhere, and on the weekend, on Thursday, the market push it up. They break the upside, but and then they're losing momentum, and then they come right back down. So on Sunday they come back down, they put back up, and then they still hold up at this level. So right now we really want to see that if they have to want to go up, they have to back out and then go higher. If they don't, and then they will take this one down, and then we have more downside back. Okay, so we will see how they doing after the market open. And now look at the NQ. NQ it's the same thing. NQ it they still in the middle of the range between the high and the low here. So the market is overall long term the market is still bullish, but in the short term the market is in the sideways formation right now. So you can see that they pull back up to in the short term they go back here, they come down here, and now they are right over here. So we want to see that either they want to go up, they will test upper level, or they will back and test the support zone. And that's why we have to be more careful on either upside or downside until we have some clear direction. All right. And look at for the oil. The oil, look at the oil. The oil it gets stuck into this zone, as you can see that on the daily chart. The oil it hang around uh, between this level, okay, they push it back up, and then they stuck in this downtrend line here. Okay, and then the sell zone is up here, the buy zone is up here. So, but right now, look at the jack. Right, look at the jack. Right now, you can see the two barrels. They will test this level here. If they break this level, so the oil can go further south. And over here on the 60-minute jack, short term, you can see that they put it up one way, and now they try to head to the final move here. So we can see how far either they will stop right here at the support here. Okay, they have been hold up at this level a couple of times. So let's see that they'll be able to hold up here, or if they break through, you can see more further downside for the oil. Okay, so now you see it at low, high, low, low. Okay, so and then they drop very hard since last night. So let's see when they go to top. So but on the daily check it still bear it, So we will see they hold it up here or they go further south. All right, so that's for oil. And for gold, gold it still hanging there. Okay, as you can see that the goal is this is the final ending target for the goal. So if this one is the wave three, so they will pull back wave four, and then they try to push it up one more. Okay, so as you can see on the 60-minute chart, they will do it look like ABC. They hold up here, and it wave number four here. If they want to go up, the first thing that they will test the upward trend line here. If they break it, and this is the final move for the goal. Okay, so they can finish it five-way up. So if you look at the both side, you can see that they have still in sync, still, daily jack still hold up. So that's why they still have momentum there. And then in the other side, you can see that they try to push it back up right now in the short term for the daily for the trading day. So in the short term, we'll push it back up. You can see that up here also. All right. So that for um, the goal for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is interesting. Bitcoin it have been we have been show you the trend line here for a while, and then they go back. They get the support. They go back to support, and then I think that over the weekend they try to pump it back up. And on the 60-minute chart, you can see that they try to climb back up, and then they still get back up. So they try to move in the upside, and then right now they are stuck at the this area right now. So as long as okay, so they have a bunch of resistance here. In order for them to go higher, they have to punch to this level before they can go up higher. Okay, but on the daily check, you can see that if they finish this way here, okay, and then if they hold it up, they break through the trend line, the Bitcoin will continue to go higher. First thing they have to test the downtrend line first, okay. But as you can see here, because the Bitcoin have been go up too fast, okay, from the bottom up here. So technically, the retracement area is still in the blue box here. So if they back a high, and then we can see that they will stack the way number five up. Otherwise, they still have room to test this area right here too. So we will see how they develop. Okay, when they hit to the trend line. Okay, so that's for Bitcoin. For the currency euro. So look at the euro. The euro in the outside. Okay, the euro they start from the top here. They go one, two, three, four, and then they are in the final move. So this is the target zone for the euro until they be able to hold up at this level here. So this is the final move for the euro. So if they go here and then they give you a confirmation, okay, they will stop somewhere and then they revert and they pull back, and this is the confirmation that the euro will go higher. Okay. At the meantime, right now, the euro is still going down. So we do stick with it outside at this moment for the euro. Okay, and I think it all the stuff that we have. Okay, and the same thing. This is Ethereum. Ethereum, they try to close to the the support area here. And then if the Bitcoin turn around, it want to try to turn around too. So they are very close to testing the zone right now. Okay, and I think that all the market. Did I missing anything? I think it's so far so good. So in 2 3 more minutes, the market will open, and then we will see. We will analyze more detail on the short-term trader. So let's be ready, and we will go deep into the stock market and the other day trading formation on the ES and Russell and the other stuff. Okay, the Russell, I think we're missing the Russell. The Russell is still A, B, C, D. Okay, so the Russell they stuck in this zone, and then they still bouncing back and forward into this parallel channel. So as long as they can hold up here, the Russell they still have room to go back and test. If they break below here, and then we have to be watch out because they will come back and test the buy zone here, okay? Because the sell zone is up here, okay? So the buy zone down here. So this line hold them up. If they break this line, and you can see that the Russell will go lower. But if they punch through and go higher, Russell will head up there again, okay? So that's the last thing that we have for this morning. So we will see you in a little bit when the market open. Should be ready. And this is what we are doing every day in our trading room. We try to give you all the detail for the market, and then we will analyze deeper when the market open.